Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Airtable Sync with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Airtable account and navigate to the base you want to sync with HubSpot. Click on the integrations option available in the sidebar. Locate and select HubSpot from the list of integration options. If you haven't connected HubSpot yet, click on Connect to HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account and authorize the connection. Once connected, return to your Airtable base. Select the table you wish to sync with HubSpot. Click on the Sync button located in the top right corner of the table. Choose the specific HubSpot data type you want to sync, such as contacts or deals. Map your Airtable fields to the corresponding HubSpot fields. Review your mappings carefully to ensure data accuracy. Set the sync frequency according to your needs, whether it's real-time or scheduled. Click on the Start Sync button to initiate the synchronization process. Airtable will begin pulling data from HubSpot according to your settings. Monitor the sync status in the Airtable dashboard to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If needed, adjust the sync settings for optimal performance. Once the sync is complete, confirm that your data has been accurately reflected in Airtable. You can now utilize your synchronized data for tracking and analysis. For any issues, refer to the integration support documentation or seek assistance from Airtable's Help Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.